This is a fit for a Subaru Outback with the factory installed stowable crossbars. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Yakima OffGrid medium rooftop cargo basket. This basket attaches to the stowable crossbars using the included mounting hardware, which connects using a stainless steel rubberized band. This hardware does have the option to add Yakima SKS lock cores for a effective theft deterrent. 1.1/8" round crossbars are included. They're removable and adjustable using a tamper resistant tool, which is included. This rack offers very good aerodynamics with the included wind fairing. Various accessories are available to further outfit this rack. The rack weighs in at 39 pounds. This roof rack offers 150 pounds of carrying capacity, leaving 110 pounds of carrying capacity within the basket. This basket measures 44 inches in length. It is 40 inches wide and is 7 inches high. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in the video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.